Hello and namaskar. Are you looking to shave milliseconds off your cloud applications performance and build more resilient architectures? Today, we are talking about a major update on zonal placement for Azure Files Premium LRS. This feature gives you unprecedented control over your data locality and latency. Previously, Azure Files offered locally redundant and zone redundant options, that is the LRS and ZRS options. Now, for applications using premium LRS, you can specifically pin your storage resource to a single availability zone. This allows you to co-locate your storage directly with your compute resources like virtual machines. It works with both SMB and NFS shares, making it a versatile choice for both Windows and Linux environments. Let's discuss why is this a game changer. There are three main reasons. The first one is reduced latency. By keeping your storage and compute in the same zone, you eliminate cross-zone network hops. This can reduce network latency by 10% to 40%, which is massive for performance-hungry applications. The next reason would be the failure domain isolation. You can limit your exposure to potential outages by aligning your entire application stack, both compute and storage within a single zone. Next on the list is zone aware high availability. For those building ultra resilient systems, you can use application level replication across multiple zones with dedicated compute and storage resources in each one. Who is this feature for? If you look at or who can use this feature, it's ideal for latency sensitive workloads. Think about high performing, like maybe like on high performance databases, enterprise platforms, DevOps tools, and critical line of business applications where every milliseconds counts. Getting started is really easy. Yeah. When you create a new Azure File Premium LRS storage account, simply select your desired availability zone. You can also update existing accounts to be availability zone aware. Let's check on the Azure portal now. So let's search for the storage account. And let's click on create here. And then let's select a region here. In my case, I will select East US. And then let's give it a storage name. Okay, so the preferred storage type would be Azure Files in my case. Yeah. And then the most important thing is like as far as the performance is concerned, I will select premium. Yeah. And as soon as you selected the premium, you can see this zone options here. Yeah. So now if I click on the standard, you don't see that. But as soon as you select the premium, you have the zone options here. Yeah. This is what we are talking about. So now file share building, you can select whatever you want. Let me select provision V1. Yeah. And now if you see here under the zone options, you have this select the same availability zone as your VM to minimize network latency and improve availability. So this is what we actually discussed. Now, if you see here, you have these three options. The number one is none. And in our case, we'll be using this one, which is self-selected zone. And if you see here, you are allowed to select one of the zones that is required. For example, if you have your VM placed in one of the zones, then what I would suggest is like you need to select the availability zone for the storage account also onto the same zone where your VM is placed. So that way, we will not be having any extra latency, and also the performance would be really, really good. Yep. Please note that zonal placement is currently available in select Azure regions that support premium LRS and availability zones. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Azure related videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.